Hello everyone, welcome to my GIS learning channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can export your multiple layer as a PDF file using Python code. So let's start. So here I have two layers, water body and road. I want to export these two layers separately. So for this you have to click on this Python, then this will open. Then you have to provide this code. First you have to import ArcPy, then you have to set the workspace and your mxt file path. Here I have to provide where I want to save all my PDF. Let's say I want to save all my PDF here in this folder, so I am copying this location and paste it here, and then I have to provide the mxt file path. This is my mxt water body, mxt file name water body. Here it is. First I have to copy the location path, then I have to provide this here, and then I have to copy this mxt file name, copy this and paste it here, .mxd. Now you have to open the mxt file using this code. Mxt is equal to arcpy.mapping.map document mxt path. Then export the first layer as PDF. Let's say I want to export first this layer water body. Drag and drop this here. What it will do, it will visible this layer and turn off the other layer. Okay, and for the second layer I have to drag and drop this here. After exporting all these two layers, it will then again visible all the layer. Then delete the mxt object using del mxt. So this is all the code you can use to export all your layers separately as PDF. Then what you have to do, click here, then click enter, then enter. Now go to PDF file. So here is our PDF file, open it. So this is our road network and this is our water body. So that's all for this tutorial. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.